And we're going again to 4th of July in Methuen. It's not the 4th of July, but it's the fireworks in Methuen. There's a lot of people here. And it's a long walk. We had to park far away.
Good job, huh? How many of you could come up here to the 31st time and do that? I was scared. Yeah. Good thing I was wearing brown pants. That's all I can say. Now, we need you people to help us sing, okay? Listen to you. You want to sing with us?
boy. Playing down that old Mount Widow, transistor radio. Standing in the sunlight laughing, hiding behind the folks' wall. Slipping in a Spanish baby, all along that waterfall with you. Brown-eyed girls, you my blue-eyed girls. Do you remember when we used to sing? Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, she died just like that. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, she died, la she died. So high to find my way, now that I'm all on my own. I saw her just the other day, my, how she has grown. Memories take me back there, Lord. Sometimes I'm tired just thinking about it. Making love in the green, green grass behind the stadium with you. My green-eyed girls, you my brown-eyed girl. Do you remember when we used to sing? Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, just like that. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. All right, we're doing. Are you guys ready to sing with us one time? I want to hear you nice and loud. Come on, a little louder. One more time. One more. Come on. Thank you.
10 seconds.
Christine, we got 10 seconds for fireworks. Are you excited to see the fireworks?
I give you the word.
10 seconds. 10 seconds to go. Matuan fireworks.
Ready? All right, we're gonna count down from 10. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Over there.
Just follow the man's voice, right? How you doing, brother?
Good, how you doing? Good.
You guys have a good night? Have a good night?
What a pain in the ass. Great. Dave here.
You silly.
little bit like this. And you're like, and I had to reach back. They were like, oh, you need help grabbing it? I'm like, no. Yeah, but you can show it how really, and you'll be like that kid yesterday. You didn't want to ask it and be like, not gonna lie. You really want
I think that's about it for today. Fireworks is over. Time to go home.
We should get a fried dough.
Fried dough. Where's fried dough? You wanna get some? You want one for you? You want some fried dough? Okay, let's go.
No, maybe there's no more.
You never know.
Maybe they're gonna close.
So we're heading back home.
Yeah, we still have a lot of walking.
Okay.